Hey, what's going on, guys? Rob from ClicksGeek. Now, today I'm going to walk you through Facebook ads for med spas, right? So we have a very unique system here on how we roll out lead generation forms for med spas to get appointments through the door and booked 100% on autopilot. I'm going to walk you through all the back-end automations, all the workflows, and show you exactly how these guys are getting their calendars booked every 30 days. Check it out. Okay, so what you're looking at right now is the back end inside this client's Facebook ad manager, right? So we have what's called a lead form ad. Now I'm going to walk you through exactly what that is because that's what you will get if you run your med spa ads with us. So before I go into any of the automations, any of the ads, anything like that, I just want to say that what you're about to see is a template. We have dozens of med spa clients. They all get the same campaign style, the only thing different is the images and the videos because that's unique to the specific med spas, but everything else is completely templatized. We just plug in your brand and run these ads in your locations with your special offers, with your whatever you want to run your offer with on Facebook. Okay, so and if you're unsure of what converts well in the med spa space, we already have all of that data. We can give you exactly what to run to generate these booked appointments and clients for your med spa. So keep that in mind when you're going through this video, that what you're seeing is a template. It's rinse and repeatable. And if you want us to run these ads for your med spa, there's a link below this video in the description. Click that and you can apply to work with us. Okay. So that said, we're inside the client's Facebook ads manager. Now what you're looking at is a lead form ad. So we have our Facebook ads campaign. We have two image ads and one video ad, right? And that's what we recommend for med spas. That's what works the best. So a lead form ad simply looks like this, right? And this is the video one. We have our copy. We have our special offer, which is their wrinkle reducer, and they get like a discount on Botox, something similar or something like that. We have a bunch of different offers we run for this client. Now, all of the ad text, everything, this is proven to work for med spas. So there's no need to reinvent the wheel. We already know what works. So we're pushing for phone calls. We're pushing for booked appointments. We're pushing for inbound messages to come through Facebook Messenger. And that's what we're running for this, is a lead form campaign, right? So assuming someone sees this ad in their local area and we have our audience targeting set to target specifically for women and for med spa treatments and stuff like that. So all of that is taken care of. Now, let's say it's come across this ad. They're going to click learn more about the special offer. And what happens is they don't leave Facebook. A lead form pops up, right? We have your Revitalize Your Beauty with our wrinkle reducer, some little blurb about what it does for you, and then it goes right into a questionnaire. Okay? So the questionnaire, some of this will pre-populate with the user's information, like their name, phone number, stuff like that Facebook can pull from the profile. But we also ask some custom questions because we want that to kind of be a pre-qualifier to make sure the lead is good. So if they come here, they see the lead form, they fill out because they want to take advantage of the special offer we're promoting, they will hit next. It will take them to more contact information, full name, phone number, email, and most of this will be pre-populated if they have all this information in their Facebook profile. And as of right now in 2023, almost 2024, almost everybody has this information, so it will most likely be pre-populated. If not, you'll have to enter it. They will hit next. It's a review of their information, little privacy policy thing, and they'll hit submit, right? And then once they hit submit, now they're landed on the thank you page, right? Thanks, you're all set. You can call us by clicking the call now below or exit the form now. Now, once they hit this page, our system takes over, the back end, which I'm about to go into right now. And it's really cool. I'm going to show you exactly what it does to pre-qualify and nurture these leads, right? So they hit this page and they're all done, or they can, if they want to call right away, they can click here and call the client directly. So really cool stuff. Now let's go into the back end of our CRM, and I'll walk you through exactly what happens once a lead form is filled out and how our system takes over and turns that into appointments. All right, so we are inside our back end CRM, and this is what's going to happen once a lead is submitted on Facebook. So this is not like other Facebook ad agencies. Most of them, they'll just collect a lead for you and send it to you, and they're done, right? We are not doing that. We're nurturing these leads. We're pre-qualifying them. We're making sure they are the highest quality. We're distilling high-quality leads, and this is the pivotal part of doing that, and you're not going to see this many other places. I guarantee you that. So the first automation you're going to get, right, is someone calls the ad, calls our tracking number from the ad, you're going to get an auto missed call text back, right? So what does that mean? I'll walk you through that right now. It's a workflow. So let's assume an incoming call comes in from the ad, and our system takes over. From there, it goes, is this a first-time caller? If it's a first-time caller, it falls into the yes bucket. If it's not a first-time caller, it goes into the no bucket, right? Now, let's assume it's a first-time caller. Our system goes in and creates a lead, makes it a unique lead, right? You don't have to worry about any of this. The only thing you have to do is call people back after you get texted that somebody called you and you missed it. That's it. You don't have to worry about this system's back end, tagging stuff, anything like that. Don't worry about that. Now, if it's yes, again, it's a first-time caller, creates a lead, internal notification goes off. You have a missed call from contact name, contact phone number, right? So right away, you get a notification that you missed a call, and here's the information. So you can get back to these people faster because, again, these are leads who are interested in your service and your offering. Now, if it's not a first-time caller, you're still going to get that internal notification, but it's just not going to be created as a lead, right? Because it's already a lead because it's not a first-time caller. So really important distinction there. So the internal notification goes off. Hey, you missed a call. Now it creates an opportunity. Don't worry about that. Now this is where it's cool, right? So a text message goes out to the actual client. And it says, hey there, sorry I missed your call. I'll give you a call right back. So you're reinforcing that, hey, I saw that you called me. I'm going to call you right back. So they're not just left in the dust here, right? So this is really, really important. It kind of gives them like a personal touch, right? That, we missed the call, but hey, we're on it. We're going to call you back. So that is automation one you're going to get immediately, which is really cool. Now the really awesome stuff starts. So there's 3 different automations you're going to get with our MedSpot Facebook ads campaign. You're going to get the lead form automation, which I'll walk you through in a minute. And then there's 2 other ones, right, for calls and lead forms submitted. Now, Facebook ads CAPI, what does this mean? So this is something unique. I guarantee you, if you're watching this video, you're not really going to see this anywhere else. There's only a handful of Facebook advertisers running this kind of in-depth data analysis stuff with Facebook's API. So essentially what we're doing is we're telling Facebook's algorithm, we're integrated with their API, that once a lead comes through our system in the CRM in the back end, and it's raised its hand as, hey, this is a really qualified lead, which I'll show you in the lead form automation. But once we know it's a qualified lead who's interested in our client's service, we go back to Facebook and say, hey, this is a really great lead. Expand our audience to get more leads like this. Find more people who fit this customer avatar, right? We're sending that data back to Facebook for its algorithm to go and asking them basically to send us more of that type of audience. So right off the bat, we're increasing the quality of the people who are going to be seeing our ads and more likely to convert on our ads. So this all runs in the background. You have nothing to do with that. Don't worry. It's just one of our data sets we have set up. Now, here's what's really cool. This is the Facebook ads lead form automation. And bear with me here. I'm going to walk you through this. It's pretty wild. So a form is submitted on Facebook. So remember when I said you saw them hit the thank you page? Our system takes over from there. And this is exactly what they get. New lead is created. It's tagged. You don't worry about all that. A text message confirmation. Hey, Carol, this is Carly from Carly's Boutique Med Spa. Thanks for your interest in our wrinkle reducer service. Please reply yes to make sure we have the right number. Okay, this is really, really important, guys, because by replying yes, they're raising their hand that they are interested and they're a higher quality lead. That's really, really important. All right, so essentially what we're doing is pre-qualifying that lead. Now it goes down to positive reply, yes or no. If no, the lead dies, right? So if it's a negative reply or no reply, the lead's going to die. If it's yes, and they send their phone number or they reply yes, any response, really, that's not negative. If it goes in the yes bucket, hot lead opportunity, right? It's going to send a text message. This goes to you, the client, the med spa. You have a hot new Facebook lead, call them ASAP. Name, phone number, email. Really, really important, guys. If you're watching this and you're a med spa owner, this is pre-qualifying done at its finest. It's super important that you call these people back immediately because they're interested in your service. I cannot stress that enough. And this is the biggest piece that no one's doing, right? Is right here. We're pre-qualifying. Because if they don't respond or it's a negative response, it's a bad lead. You shouldn't even get it. You shouldn't have to waste time with it. So you're only going to be notified when someone raises their hand, they're interested in your service, in your offer, whatever you're running your ads for. It's got a hot lead opportunity and it goes to you immediately. And that's how you're going to call them back. Really, really important. And we can also tweak this too, right? We could even go as far as replying to the customer if you wanted to and insert a link to book an appointment. Although we don't recommend that. We recommend you have somebody call the lead and actually get on the phone with them and start selling your services, because that's just how it converts better. But we can add a link if you're interested that will just automatically have someone be able to book into your schedule for whatever the service is. Although this is the best setup that we've seen over dozens of med spas, where they just get the lead, they're interested, and they're ready to rock and roll. So that is our Facebook lead flow for med spas. Pretty cool stuff. Again, the biggest lever that we have that most other agencies do not have, I guarantee you're not going to see this much anywhere else, is the CAPI, right? So we're telling the algorithm, this was a hot lead. It raised its hand. Find us more of these people, right? Into my local area in our audience settings. So really, really powerful stuff. Again, guys, if you have a med spa and you want us to turn this campaign on for you, we will clone the workflows, we'll clone the ads, the offers, everything. We'll swap in your information and run this campaign locally for you and start generating leads for your med spa. Then go to the link in the description and fill out the application. And assuming your location is not taken, we can onboard you in as soon as 24 hours and roll this campaign out for you.